On behalf of the Judge Alexander Williams Jr. Center for Education, Justice, and Ethics, it is our great pleasure to congratulate Nicholas McDaniels in recognition of his unwavering dedication to his students and his steadfast commitment to expanding opportunities for them. We are proud to honor you with the 2025 Judge A.W. Center Ethics Award. Thank you for your commitment to creating transformative spaces, whether in classrooms, courtrooms, and communities, where every young person is seen, heard, and empowered to succeed.
Hello, my name is Nicholas McDaniels, and I am the Law and Leadership teacher at Mergenthaler Vocational Technical High School in Baltimore City, Maryland. It is a profound honor to be with you as the recipient of the 2025 Judge A.W. Center Ethics Award. Thank you to the Judge Alexander Williams Jr. Center for Education, Justice, and Ethics for this incredible recognition. This award means so much, particularly because it recognizes my work with the students at Mervo High. I also wanted to congratulate the other distinguished honorees and speakers who are here tonight. This work, this program, doesn't happen in a vacuum. I have been blessed by extraordinary partners and students who, above all else, are patient with me and the insanity that is my daily schedule. Specifically, I want to thank Judge Alexander Williams Jr. Judge, your vision for justice, education, and ethics is a light for all of us. I'm grateful for your leadership in this work. Thank you to Marcy DeLoach and Karen Bond and the entire Judge A.W. Center team. Your commitment to supporting legal education in Baltimore City and throughout Maryland is unparalleled. For my students, the center is a gateway. You've hosted what has become my and my students' favorite annual event, the Social Justice Boot Camp. You've organized invaluable career panels, and your faculty and staff have personally invested countless hours into the futures of my students. You have given them a chance to pursue careers in law and related fields, but you've done all of this with a personal commitment to each of my students as people, giving them the support and encouragement to be in spaces and settings that are typically reserved for professional adults. As a partner at my law firm, Nicholas McDaniels, and in my true calling as the law and leadership teacher at Mervo, my practice has always been driven by the fight for the empowerment of all working people and the pursuit of educational equity for all students. One of my heroes, Clarence Darrow, once said, "There's no justice in or out of court." And he may have been right. Somewhat ironically discouraging words from a person who spent his entire career chasing what he thought was just. He realized, it seems, like we all do here, that it is in the pursuit of justice, using the tools of education and the law, that we work every day to prove him wrong, as he would have wanted us to. This award for ethics underscores our shared responsibility to mentor and advocate for those who are often overlooked, our young people. Now in my 17th year as a high school teacher in Baltimore City, where the future can sometimes seem grim for those observing only from the outside, I am continually and powerfully encouraged by the next generation of leaders. I am also constantly reminded by working with my students why Mervo High is so special, preparing students for the world of college, work, or both through career and technology education. Moreover, my students remind me daily that I have, with no disrespect to any of my brothers and sisters at bar, the absolute coolest attorney job in the state of Maryland. My students, they are bright, compassionate, worldly, and excited to solve the problems that are being left to them. They are filled with a toughness and resilience that is only rivaled by their empathy and inclusivity. They are resolute in their demands for a future that bends toward justice. My students are our future attorneys, advocates, and policymakers, and they are why we do this work. They represent the hope we all carry, and I'm grateful to be able to work with them. To my wife and daughter, my entire family, my business partners in law and real estate, thank you for your encouragement and the never-ending patience in allowing me to pursue my passion for education. Among the many, many things that consume the hours of my life. To my principal, Dr. Skinner, and my colleagues at Mervo, who make me feel incredibly lucky to have a job I look forward to every day. And to my students, past, present, and future, thank you for all the love and hope you've poured into me for so many years, and for allowing me to be a part of your journey. Thank you again to the Judge A.W. Center and the organizers of this amazing 7th Annual Judge Alexander Williams Jr. Lecture at the University of Maryland, College Park.
We extend our sincere congratulations to this year's honorees and our deep appreciation to all members of the Center for another year of purpose-driven impact. United in our commitment, we continue to advance a future ground in ethics, justice, and inclusivity for all.